Hello everyone. It is early right now, but I need to get cleaning. As you can tell, look how dirty my house is. But first, yesterday we went to town and I got a couple things and I want to show you guys. I got myself 2 vacuums. So this is the Dyson one. They had a couple different models, so I went with the oldest one because it was the cheapest, and I want to try it out and see if I like it or not. And then my husband found this. It is the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro. I really don't know what the name of it is, but it is a vacuum and a mop. So it will vacuum my floors and it will also mop my floors. So I'm super excited about that. There was one I was gonna buy, but it was like $600 and starts with a T. But when I saw this, I was like, we're gonna go with this one instead, because I think this was like 300 and less than 350. Sorry, my dogs are being crazy. The puppies are in heat and Leo wants to get to them and he can't because he's the father, so. And they keep eating my basket. But yeah, this is what the house is currently looking like. It is a disaster. Truly a disaster. I had to sleep on the couch last night because my mom's dog spent the night here and there was no way that she was going to be able to sleep in our room because the dogs were freaking out so much. So I just slept out here with her. Didn't get that good of sleep. But yeah. Let's get cleaning. We've been on and off again and again. First thing, my son wanted some cinnamon rolls, so I had him make them. I've been teaching the boys how to cook more. They are doing pretty good. They can pretty much make any breakfast meal that is relatively easy to make. But when it comes to hamburger and chicken, I don't think that they would do too good with that. And then I wanted to put the covers back on our cushions. One of our dogs had an accident. She drank too much water and threw it up on my couch. So I ended up washing all of the cushions, and I have to tell you, it is a pain in the butt trying to get these covers back on the cushions. No, I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going. Ace would not let me get to cleaning. He wanted me to play ball with him, so I, of course, had to take time out of my cleaning to play ball with him. Control you, push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. I was so excited to play with the Dyson and the Bissell, so I wanted to put it together, but of course, as soon as I got it together, one of the dogs had an accident, so I had to clean off their puppy pad thing that goes in their crate, and then I just decided to clean off all of the rugs from inside and outside. I find it to be the easiest to take them outside in the summertime and hose them off and scrub them, rather than throwing them in my dryer because the rubber part on the back gets messed up. And then of course the boys wanted to help their mommy.
Looking back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them.
All I can say is I absolutely love my new Dyson vacuum cleaner. You guys, this picks up everything. It is the best vacuum cleaner I have ever had in my entire life. I absolutely love it. And then I played with the Bissell vacuum and mop. I'm in love. It will get everything off your hardwood floors. I had a stain on the floor that I didn't know that was there, probably from one of the dogs. And I went down to scrub it with some paper towels and some spray, and I wasn't able to get it fully up. So then I pulled out the Bissell and it came right out. It has like a sponge on the bottom, and then it has a couple bristles in there to really just scrub your floors and get them completely clean. I'm in love. It is amazing, and the smell afterwards is incredible. I'm using the pet solution one. I'm in love, and it does come with 2 of the bristle pad things, so you can just throw it in the washer. I don't recommend throwing them in the dryer. I just let them air dry. But I am definitely in love, and the amount of dirt and junk that came off these floors is crazy. I want to mop my floors and then go in with the Bissell afterwards and see how much is still left on the ground after I mop it. But look at that. I will have the Dyson and the Bissell vacuums in my Amazon storefront, so if you guys want to check it out, you can.
We should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through.
My husband went to Costco and did a huge grocery order, so I wanted to clean out the pantry and the refrigerator before he got home so we could make room for everything. I think he ended up spending $800. Next time I will record that and do a grocery haul so you guys can see what we got.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you.
Once I get the garage cleaned out, then we're going to go and get us a deep freezer. The freezer in the house is just too small for the size of our family. We don't know if we want to get a chest freezer or one of the stand-up ones. What do you guys have? What do you guys recommend? Please let me know because I'm kind of torn between each of them.
I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you were not.
My phone ran out of storage, so this is where this video ends. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.